Calculating the size of your floor as accurately as possible is an important step in any flooring project. It also helps us provide you with accurate pricing for the supply of materials, ensuring you order the correct amount for your floor. Our coverage guides are all in meters squared, so we recommend measuring in meters where possible. The tools you will need to measure are a tape measure, a calculator, a notepad, and a pen to note down your measurements. To begin, start by measuring the width and note this down. Then, go ahead and measure the length, also noting down this measurement. When taking measurements, we recommend rounding up, then at the end, adding a 10% contingency just to make sure you order the correct amount of material you will need. To calculate the area, you need to multiply the length, in meters, by the width, also in meters. This will give you the meters squared size. Again, if you have broken up your area into shapes, repeat this process for each shape. Once all shapes have been calculated, you simply need to add the numbers together to get your total area size. Once you have your total area size in meters squared, you can calculate how much quantity of each product you will need. Remember, if you're doing 2 coats, you'll need double the quantities. If you require any assistance with this, our expert customer team are there to help.